What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Nick the Piker's Fishing Channel. Haven't been able to post for a while because back beginning of May I broke my knee and had to be on crutches for 9 weeks. So now, instead of spring fishing, which I know is my favorite time of the year to fish, I missed all the bass spring bassing, which is a heartbreaker, but hey, sometimes things happen. Anyways, it's July and I can walk again, and I'm gonna go fishing today with my son Oliver. You guys remember him. He's been waiting for me to heal so that we can go fishing again, and here we are. So
play basketball.
Yeah, this is my first time fishing again since I broke my leg again. Broke my hip in 2022, broke my knee this time. So let's hope I can go fishing and not get hurt. We should have a fun time today. I know a few little spots that have some bass, some big bass, but lots of numbers. So we're gonna try and do what we can and get this little man on some bass, because he's been waiting patiently, haven't you?
Yeah.
All right, stick with us, stay tuned, and let's get him. All right. We're gonna start over by where the water dumps out and see. It's good when it's like that, dude. We're gonna probably catch fish today because it cooled the water off a little bit, made them a little more active. I know that there's weeds over here, so the bass like to come over here because the water is cooler coming out of that water right there, right? So yeah, I see little fish. So let's try casting out around here real quick before we go over to the other side. Now keep in mind that right here there's this rock ledge, so you can see. Huh? It's a dragonfly. It's just a dragonfly. Start reeling, man. There's rocks. If you do get snagged on the rocks, don't pull real hard. Just give it to me and I'll help you get it out. Yeah, just be careful. I'm using my crappie rod with 4-pound test so that my son can use my bass rod. So if I catch stuff, it's going to be interesting. But hey, I'm up for the challenge.
What the hell?
Alright, let's fish here. We're just going to fish here. I know. We're going to fish here and work our way that way. Ollie. Dude, what was that? Was that the bird or a fish? Might have been a carp, dude. Cast over there. Oh, it's a huge carp, dude. I just saw him. It's just a big carp. We're not gonna catch him on this. We should have went carp fishing here, dude.
We would totally catch that.
We would. got one. Yep. Right along shore on 4-pound test, dude. Grab the net, bro. It's a decent one. Well, it feels like a decent one on my little rod. Yeah, he's a decent one. Here he comes. That's a decent fish right there, dude. Yes. I told you over here, bro. I told you over here.
I gotta get mine though.
Let's go. You're gonna catch one, dude. If I'm catching one, you're catching one.
But I don't want it to sink down.
Don't worry, we'll get it. Good,
Hi, buddy.
good net job, bro.
That's another. It kind of hurt my wrist though, because he's big. But
Hey, you did it.
that's my second net job.
It is.
I'm good at it.
See, I told you the fish would be over here, bro.
That's another fish.
Yeah, they're over here.
I need to go.
Fish number 1 for Ollie and Nick the Piker.
Can I hold it? Maybe I might have forgot how to hold it. No.
Hold them up. Show the camera. Hold them straight up and down. Just like that. And let me get a picture. Fish number 1 with my son. Let's get it.
My right hand, so it's awkward. Whoa!
That was awesome.
I made
High
it
fives,
at a
bro.
different
That was
net.
awesome. Sienna spot number 1. We're going to go to our little bass hole
We're definitely gonna
where there's power in numbers. We'll be catching lots of little fish. But there might be a big one. Stick with us. Stay tuned. And let's get him at spot number 2. Cast number 1 at the fish pond. We had some good rain yesterday, so it's a little sloshy, huh? Over where? Yeah, but it's I just don't want to hurt myself.
Those are the spots that hurt.
There should be fish over here too.
Can I get one?
You got one? Yeah, buddy. How he jumped too. Yeah, there we go. Fish number 1 for Ollie. Fish number 1 for Ollie.
Yeah! That's a little bit.
That's what we're talking about, baby.
Come over here.
I'm coming.
Look at him. I don't want him to lose him. Whoa!
There you go.
Ew. Oh,
He's
no.
trying to swim. He's trying to swim. He's trying to swim back to shore, back to the lake.
I got him.
There you go.
Whoa! Ow!
Grab him with the thumb. Grab him with your thumb. There you go. Hee-hee. Fish number 1 for Ollie. Let's get it.
That one was a little.
It's all right. This is fun.
You made it. You made it.
That's what it's all about, baby.
Should I just
Give him a toss back. There you go. Boom.
Oh, there's so much weird stuff in my.
It's all right. Just rinse your hands off and you're good. Fish number 1 for Ollie.
I don't need to.
Break the seal. Let's do it again.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Actually.
So when you cast it out, Ollie, when you cast it way out there, wait for like 10 seconds and then start reeling so that your lure can go to the bottom. Hello. Yep. Some clouds just came in, which is nice. I'll be home by like 4. No, I know. I know. I know, and you need to go shopping. Oh, I got one.
Oh, and on the car.
Right along the weeds, Al. Yep. No, I know, he's good. Hey, he choked it too. Little guy. Love you. Yeah. Good omen. Okay. Love you. And there we go, a little bass. I watched him eat it. Yeah. Yeah. He bit like right along the weeds though. You just pause before you get to the. It smells like sewage. Here.
It smells like that chicken.
Yeah, sewage. That's what that chicken smelled like. You know why that chicken smells so bad? Because it was rotten. Sewage is rotten. It's rotten water.
Oh god.
Rotten. Ugh, it smells like a fart.
Farted.
The water farted. It's water farts.
They caught a fish and they still left.
No, I think he caught like a bluegill. This little turtle just wants my lure so bad.
Do you want to go over there?
They're still over there, dude. They got their fishing pole over there still.
Oh!
Dude, that's a fish. That's a big fish. Don't pull too hard. Just fight him. Just keep fighting him. Dude, that's a nice fish. Dude, that's the bass that I just saw over here. I swear. Don't pull him. Don't break. Dude, that's a huge bass.
Oh my god.
Keep paddling.
Oh my god.
Dude, it's a huge bass. Keep paddling. Oh, you still got him. Dude, hell yes.
Oh,
Keep paddling.
yes.
Keep paddling.
Oh my god.
Yes, dude. Mission success, bro.
Yes.
Mission success.
won!
Mission success.
Yes.
That was all you.
Yes.
That's all you,
Look at that
bro.
thing.
Let's go, dude.
Oh my god, that's huge.
Let's go. I told you to keep throwing that
Oh my
lure. You're
God.
gonna catch one.
I think that's the one that we were.
Dude, that's your PB, dude. That's the biggest bass you've ever caught on your own, right there.
Look at it.
Dude,
Oh
that's a
my
beast.
God.
That's a beast. Let's
Oh
go.
my god.
Let's go.
I'm so hyped.
Ali just nailed him. Watch your fingers. He's the big one. Yes, dude. Let me get a picture.
Oh my. Send me it.
Dude,
too. Look
that's
at
what
that.
it's all about, baby. That's what it's all about. Dude, that's your PB right there. Folks, Ali just caught his PB on his own, dude. That's like a 3.5 pounder.
This is insane.
Here, let's
I have to let it go though.
here.
Okay.
Dude, epic. Go ahead. Let's go. Dude, that is the fish that I saw over here.
I did it.
Dude, that was awesome. That's what it was all
And
about.
they left.
Dude, I don't know, I love fishing with you too, bud.
I finally have a chance to just relax.
Yeah,
This is my relaxing.
yeah.
The birds.
Being in nature at a nice lake.
Remember I said the birds are twerking?
Yeah,
The air is nice.
it
the
is.
Birds are twerking.
It's nice. It's nice out right now.
The water's really nice. But still, we're not catching anything.
I almost just caught one.
That thumb is hurting.
Look at the turtles. There's 2 of them right there.
I think my thumb is hurting from
Holding the bass.
No. From battling the bass.
Yeah, dude, that was a
You
battle.
almost hurt me.
Dude, that was a battle.
Oh. Oh my god.
Those are turtles.
Oh, no, that wasn't a turtle.
I can see them, dude. With these sunglasses on, I can see them.
No, that's a fish.
That's a turtle. I can see him with the sunglasses on. You can't see him because of the glare. But that is a legit...
Oh, I wanna catch
That's a
him.
turtle. See his face?
Yeah, I want to catch him. I think there was a fish on his head. Oh, I almost got him stuck.
Dude, he was biting at it.
Oh, there's a turtle right here.
Well, they're everywhere in here, dude.
He's popping out.
It's so cool that we have this right by our house, isn't it? Here, let me give it a good one.
Now
for you.
you can see.
Oh, it's a little guy. You're all right. It's part of fishing, dude.
No, I want to.
Giving you a good winger. There you go. Sorry, dude.
What the?
Oh, it's time to go. Oh, it's 8:30 already. Jeez Louise, dude.
The day goes so fast.
It's still light out, man. You're early. There you go.
Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoy our video. I caught a big fish today, and the other time I got a small fish.
Well, I hope you all enjoyed our video. That was a lot of fun. Ollie caught a nice bass through the weeds solo. That was almost a 4-pound bass. So amazing job by this little guy here.
And the cat showed up.
Hope you all enjoyed. Please like and subscribe to see more of our content. And we'll catch you on the next one.
Peace.
Peace. Peace.
Peace.